Hi, Olivia.
Duck.
Stuck? Here. You pulled everything out of your little basket and it's all around, but we're playing with it. Are you playing doctor?
Shari.
Dr. Shari? Are you playing Dr. Shari? Doctor.
Shari.
Dr. Shari.
Doctor. Shake.
Shake, shake, shake. Oh, that is nail polish. Clear.
Open.
Open? No, baby, that's for when you're a little older and you can have nail polish. Not yet. Not yet.
Open.
All done? You want to go for our walk?
Zizi.
Let's go walk Zizi.
Pool.
Pool? We're going to go walk Zizi.
Autumn.
Okay.
No. No.
Can you put everything back away? Can you put everything away? Can you put everything back in your basket?
Basket.
Put everything away. Clean up, clean up.
Mm.
You put everything back? Open the lotion? No, I don't think we need that lotion right now. Can you put everything away? Clean up. Clean up.
Mommy.
That's not money. That's not money.
Saya.
Share.
Mommy.
You want to share?
Josie.
You want to share with Josie? Okay, she'll be here later. You can share money with her. You can give her money. Okay.
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 Zizi.
You want to share money with Zizi?
My Zizi.
You want to share money with your Zizi?
Josie.
Josie's not here yet. She'll be here around lunchtime.
Oops.
Oops.
Mommy.
Money? That's a wipe.
I like.
Can you help me clean up? Oof. Can you help me clean up?
No.
No, we can't go for our walk until we clean up. Gotta clean up and then we go for our big walk. What do you have?
Duck.
Oh, it goes to the thermometer. Or no, the booger sucker at her. And you have boogies, it goes in your nose and it gets them all out. Let's clean up. Time to clean up. Everything back in the basket.
Chap chap.
Looks like Chop Chop. Can you put everything away? Everything in the basket? Lotion. Let's put everything away. Open? No, you're not sick. You don't need that. You don't need honey until you're sick. It helps your throat.
Help.
It helps your throat when you don't feel good.
Good.
But you feel good.
Uh-oh.
Oh, you're walking on a tape measure. Oh, you are stuck. I help you. Okay.